Hello, everybody. I hope you are staying warm and well. If you're in our 215 to 219 weekly resource folder, the first activity that you had were our Chapter 5 notes. We've gotten real comfy with doing our notes, my loves. If you'll scroll to the bottom of that activity, click this, and then you should be staring at the Chapter 5 notes activity. So, same as always, we're taking notes about characters, their dreams, both that collective American dream that Fitzgerald's been critiquing, and then anywhere where we see them pursuing an individual American dream. Also, in that box, as a reminder, my loves, you can, any symbols that you see that you're not sure what they might belong to, feel free to hop in and just make a little note that's like symbols that we could talk about later. Okay, that is certainly fine. These are your notes. You can do what you need to with them. Okay, so as you read, don't forget to be putting your page numbers down. Be marking for the characters, their dreams, historical context, as well as cultural context, and any of those why the face moments. Anytime that you see words that you don't know or something where you're like, man, I don't know what's going on. I need to talk to Lucas about this. Put those in there, my loves. Don't forget that you also have, as it says in the instructions, you also have your PDF copy of the novel in that white Unit 4 Great Gatsby resource folder. Let me know if you've got any questions.